Have you ever been ready to record a video in Screen Studio only to realize that your background is kind of a mess? Today I'm going to show you the exact steps to add a virtual background to your camera in Screen Studio so that your videos always look great. And make sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to share a tip that can save you a lot of time and money. Before we dive in, an important thing to say, this feature is only available on Apple Silicon Macs, which are most of the recent Macs. Unfortunately, if you're running an older Intel machines, these features are not available. Also make sure you're running a relatively recent macOS version. So the first step is to open Screen Studio as usual, and in the panel here, as you can see, I have my camera with my original background, but I want to replace it. So to do that, I'm going to go at the top on the status bar and then select background, as you can see here. If I enable this option here, as you can see, my background gets replaced with this gradient. But if I click here, I can also replace it with a different color, as well as an image, for example, like this one. You can also customize it with your own custom image by going here and then adding it to the collection. From this moment on, everything you record with Screen Studio will use this virtual background. Now here's the thing that I promised at the beginning that can save you a lot of time and money. It's called Borumi. Borumi is a video editor specifically designed to create amazing tutorials, video courses, and product demos. It comes with several of the features that you all love about Screen Studio, like cinematic zoom-in effects and smooth cursor movements, and much more. With Borumi, you also get great looking layouts, the ability to record your video into multiple chunks, transcript-based editing, the ability to import clips inside the video, and so much more. And here's the best part, Borumi comes as a one-time purchase at $79, making it one of the best deals on the market. If you want to check it out, visit borumi.com to find out more. This was all for this video, I hope you liked it. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it really helps, and I hope to see you in the next one.